Stop chasing money. Make money chase you. Stop right now. Because if you're still chasing money, you've already been trained to lose it. Most people run after money like it's something outside of them, something scarce, something hard to catch. And that belief alone keeps them stuck. What if I told you that money doesn't respond to effort alone, but to identity? Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to hear can completely flip how money responds to you. Don't leave now. This is where the shift begins. People who struggle financially usually ask the wrong question. How do I get money? Wealthy people ask a different one. Who do I need to become so money naturally comes to me? That's the secret most never hear. Money doesn't chase desperation. It follows value, confidence, and clarity. When you operate from need, money runs. When you operate from power, money follows. What comes next explains why this works every single time. Look at real high earners. They don't beg the market. They don't chase every opportunity. They position themselves. They build skills. They solve problems. They become valuable. And value attracts money automatically. The moment you stop chasing and start building, everything changes. You're starting to see the pattern. Stay with me. Let me tell you about Jason. For years, he chased money, side hustles, shortcuts, get-rich-fast promises. Nothing worked. He was exhausted and broke. One day, he stopped chasing and asked himself, what can I master that people are willing to pay for? That question changed everything. He focused, improved daily, and within a year, opportunities started finding him. This story mirrors what can happen for you. If this message is hitting you right now, hit like to lock this mindset in. Comment below, I stop chasing, I attract. And share this video with the word power, because when you share clarity, success often comes back multiplied. Now listen carefully. The core principle is coming. Money chases people who are grounded, disciplined, and emotionally strong. Why? Because those people don't panic. They don't quit early. They don't fold under pressure. They keep showing up. That consistency creates trust, and trust creates income. When you stop chasing money, you stop reacting. You start leading. This is where most people fail, and where you won't. Chasing money puts you in survival mode. Attracting money puts you in creation mode. Survival asks, what can I get? Creation asks, what can I build? And builders always win. When you build systems, skills, and self-respect, money has no choice but to follow. You're getting closer to the real breakthrough. Here's the hard truth no one likes to say. Money avoids weak energy. Not weak people, weak energy. Confusion, inconsistency, fear. But the moment you decide to stand firm, focus, and commit long-term, your financial reality starts responding differently. Take a breath. The final truth is here. Here it is. Money chases those who chase mastery, not money. When you master yourself, your habits, your skills, your focus, money becomes a side effect. Stop asking money to choose you. Choose yourself first. And watch how everything shifts. You just unlocked the wealth code most people never see. Subscribe to MoneyMasteryX and turn on the bell, because every video here trains your mind to think, act, and build like the wealthy. Go watch the other videos on this channel. They're designed to rewire how money responds to you. Remember this. You don't chase money. You become the reason it shows up. Click the next video. Your financial evolution continues.